This is my Amstrad PPC512, which is an XT compatible computer that can run DOS, and I've installed a expansion card that allows me to add 3 additional ISA devices. At the moment I'm running a XT IDE CF card adapter so I can run a hard drive. I'm also going to test out my Sound Blaster Pro 16. Even though this is a 16-bit card, it should work in an 8-bit ISA slot, even though some of the functionality will be limited. Okay, so let's give this a whirl. And it works perfectly as a sound card. I'm extremely happy with the results. And the HDMI adapter to VGA for my CRT works really well. Okay, so that's Sound Blaster 16 running in an 8-bit ISA slot on my Amstrad PPC512. Okay, I hope you found that somewhat interesting, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.